truck is getting all boxes on the garbage, and this is that. To become a recycle. And to buy this truck. Okay, getting is older stuff of this truck driver. Oh, no. Okay. Only box only. No plastic, no styrofoam, only box. And paper, it's okay. After this video, I will save it to the